Atoms are not the smallest particle. They are made up of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons and electrons. Around the nucleus, electrons are contained in shells. It's a very simple method to find out how many of each is in an atom. On the periodic table, you will find that each chemical has a small number and a big number on it. The smaller number, also known as the atomic number, is the same as the number of protons in the nucleus. The larger number, known as the mass number, is the number of protons added to the number of neutrons. For example, lithium has 3 protons and 4 neutrons. I worked this out by taking the mass number from the atomic number to find out how many neutrons there are. The atomic number is also the number of protons, so I already knew that. We must balance the positive charge of the nucleus, so we need an equal number of electrons to protons. Therefore, lithium has 3 electrons.
So I'm going to be talking about the atomic structure of an atom and isotopes. The first point is, how are atoms formed? So atoms are formed with a nucleus of protons and neutrons with electrons in the outer shell. So a proton has the relative mass of 1 and the relative charge of a positive 1. Neutrons have the relative mass of 1 with a neutral relative charge of 0. Electrons have a relative mass of 1 over 1840 and a negative charge of -1. My next point is about isotopes. Isotopes are atoms with a different amount of neutrons in the nucleus. My example is hydrogen. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. A typical hydrogen atom has 1 proton and 1 electron, but the neutron can change from 1 and 2.
Covalent bonds are formed by 2 non-metal substances where they share a pair of electrons. An example of a covalent bond is a methane molecule. An ionic compound have high melting points and boiling points and conduct electricity when melted or dissolved in water.